Hi guys, welcome to Salvin Kitchen today, and today we're going to cook chicken broccoli stir fry. Guys, this is a very delicious healthy meal. So we have 9 of chicken here. We have 4 chicken breasts. We have 2 broccoli we're going to use. We have 1 spoon of plain flour, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, a little bit of cooking oil. We're going to use 1 white chopped onion. We're going to use 5 cut up mushroom, 2 spring onion, 4 cloves of grated garlic. I'm going to use a piece of ginger, but I ain't going to use all of that ginger because I don't want the ginger to take out that flavor, that texture out of it. So we have 1 red bell pepper, 1 small yellow bell pepper, 1 small orange bell pepper. So today in Salvin Kitchen we're going to cook chicken broccoli stir fry. So the first step we're going to do, we're going to put in 1 tablespoon of plain flour. Just going to add a little bit of water in that. You can use plain flour or you can use chicken stock if you want. Just get a whisk it around. So 1 tablespoon of plain flour, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce. Just going to get a whisk that around. Soya sauce. I'm going to put a tablespoon of soya sauce. Give that a whisk it around. So you want to mix in all of that sugar, all of the oyster sauce, the soya sauce. Get that out of the way. So we're just going to add a piece of grated ginger. And the best way to peel the ginger, you just get a spoon like that and scrape it. So you don't want to waste most of the ginger, just get a spoon, scrape it like that. So we get all of that ginger skin off of it. So that's it we do with that ginger. So we don't want to put in too much ginger, just grate a little bit of ginger. Just a little piece of ginger like that, because if you put in too much ginger, it's just gonna kill the taste. Give it a whisk. So we're just adding the ginger, so now we're gonna add in some grated garlic. Add in a touch of salt. Just gonna add in just a little touch of black pepper. Give that a mix.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were.
So we're just gonna slice up the chicken breast. So we have 9 kg of chicken breast, so 4 chicken breasts. I would just slice it long way. By your finger when you're cutting the chicken, guys, or your knife is very sharp. So after you slice it long way, just turn it sideways like that. You want to cut it at the same level, same thickness, because you want everything to cook even. So just chop up So you want to get everything around this size, so everything can cook even. So 4 chicken breasts. So guys, on the chicken breast, I'm just gonna put a little light black pepper. Just a little black pepper on it, because all of that same oyster sauce with the sauce and everything there. After the seasoning, just gonna put a little bit of touch of salt in it. So guys, I put on this pot, so all I know I'm gonna put some oil in it. Scrape off my chicken breast. So I'm gonna add the same, just gonna add a little more oil in it. Just a little touch more. So now I'm gonna add in my onion, my garlic, I got the ginger, my bell pepper. We have 4 cut up mushroom, white mushroom that we're gonna use. So 4 white mushroom. So I'm just gonna add in my broccoli. Gonna add in my sauce, what I put oyster sauce, soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of flour. Gonna add in back my chicken. I give it around 3 minutes and then I check it again. Guys, look at that, guys. That's my chicken broccoli stir fry. So now I'm just gonna add in a piece of lemon, squeeze a piece of lemon in it, some lemon juice. And a little touch of lemon. Guys, this is beautiful. So meal is cooking now. You can give it a taste. If it's too thick, you can add a little bit more water to it. It's up to you guys. So guys, this is all finished now. This is my chicken broccoli stir fry. And that, people, this is a very healthy, delicious, tasty meal, people. You need to try it. And guys, if you're watching my video and you don't subscribe, please hit that subscribe button. Free to subscribe. Please hit a notification bell so when I post a video, you guys will get it. I have a lot more recipe coming out. Please share and like the video with your friends and family on your WhatsApp, on Instagram, on your Facebook. Tell a friend to tell a friend. I have a lot more recipe coming out, guys. So this chicken broccoli stir fry, I'm gonna serve it with some white rice. So guys, I'm just gonna share out some of my dinner. Oh, look at that chicken. I'll get some of that broccoli. Oh my god, guys, you wanna smell it, you wanna taste it. Some of that sauce. Look at this, people. That's my chicken broccoli stir fry served with white rice. People, so I finished. So Selvin gonna dig in, guys. Please share the video, share it with your friends, hit that notification bell so when I post a video you get it, guys. I have a lot more recipe coming out. So this is chicken broccoli stir fry served with white rice. So we'll see you guys in the next video in Selvin kitchen. And before you go, guys, please hit that notification bell so when I post a video you get it. Oh people, you want to taste this? Delicious. Please hit that red button, please subscribe, please share and like, and watch out for the next video. Selvin Kitchen, and you guys, please stay safe with your friends and family, protect each other. Selvin Kitchen, check it out. See you guys in the next video. Take care.